Hello guys, welcome back to CADmake. In today's video we are going to create a helical gear. We will use some of the essential commands and features to bring the sketch into 3D design life. We will also customize appearance to give our design a professional look. If you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part. Click OK. Now go to the Sketch. Click Sketch. Choose the top plane. Now take the Circle command and draw a circle of 114.6 mm diameter here in the origin. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Go to the Features and click on Extruded Boss command. Select here mid-plane. Give the extrusion value as 20 mm, click OK. Now go to the Visual Styles. Remove the Real View mode. Click on Background Scene and choose the plain white. Click on this surface. Click Sketch. Select this edge. Click Convert Entities. It will create a circle on this edge. Rotate like this. Now go to the Features. Here in Curves, click on Helix and Spiral command. Choose the height and revolution in here. Select constant pitch as 20 mm in reverse direction. Give the revolution value as 0.04 mm. Give the angle as 90 degrees. Select counterclockwise. Here it shows all the parameters we defined. Simply click OK. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Center Line command and draw a horizontal line from the origin like this. Click Exit. Now take the Midpoint Line command and draw it here like this. Click Exit. Select this edge and click on Convert Entities. Here we converted edge to a circle. Now take the 3-point arc command and draw an arc like this. Click OK. Now click on Trim Entities command. Erase this circle from here. Click OK. Click Mirror Entities. Select this arc and this one. Click here to mirror it against this line. Click OK. Here we see we have mirrored the sketch definitely. Now take the Smart Dimension command. Select this point and this one. Give the length to this line as 3 mm, click OK. Give the distance from this point to this one as 7 mm, click OK. Now this point and this one. Give the height to this as 7 mm, click OK. Give the value to this arc as 10 mm, click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Here we see our sketch is fully defined. Zoom out like this. Click Finish. Now go to the Features and click on Swept Cut. Sketch is already selected. Click here and select this line as a path. Click OK. Select this line. Click Hide. It will disappear. Now select Cut Sweep 1. Take the Circular Pattern command. Click here and select this edge as a reference. Give the pattern number as 36 with equal spacing at the angle 360 degree. Click OK. Here we see we have created 36 teeth of the gear. Make it normal. Click on this face. Click Sketch. Take the circle command and draw 80 mm diameter circle here in the origin. Press Enter. Draw another circle of 40 mm diameter in the origin. Press Enter. Click OK. Now go to the Features. Click on Extruded Cut command. Select here Blind. Give the extruded cut value as 5 mm, click OK. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the circle command and draw 20 mm diameter circle in the origin. Click OK. Go to the Features. Click Extrude Cut command. Select here through all. Click OK. Again click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take Center Rectangle command and draw a rectangle with 5 mm width and 5 mm length here on circle quadrants. Press Enter. Click OK. Select this center point, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this origin point. Make them vertical. Click OK. Now go to the Features and click on Extruded Cut command. Select here through all. Click OK. Zoom it. Now go to the material. Click Edit Material. Select Steel. Choose the stainless steel. Click Apply. Click Close. It looks perfect now. It's enough for today. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.